secondary. Could be 57 south, no bumper on this area. Either 115, 117.
Looks like a whiter Hispanic male with a tan hat on.
White male with a tan hat on.
91, I'll try to set up like one. He just had another car on the right shoulder.
Right out of the gate, this turns into a dangerous pursuit. Units are calling it in, and the suspect is already making aggressive moves on the road. Passing on the shoulder like that is a huge red flag, showing complete disregard for traffic and safety. At this point, officers know this isn't going to be a simple stop. The big question is, when a driver starts pushing like this so early, how far are they willing to go?
So on the surface road, on board is TVI, right at the 2.
He's back on the interstate.
TVI, right at the 2, 11:45 p.m.
He just threw a bag out the window.
Threw a bag out the window.
Hands up! Get out, get on the ground.
Down 9, ability takedown, 11:46 p.m.
I hate excuses.
I just saw you throw out as soon as we see the eye right here.
2-1, you good? You good, boss?
I'm good.
Good. Does a good. Throw that bag out. Right here. Right there. They already grabbed it. They're searching it right now. I'm guessing that big old bundle is why you ran. You got any weapons on you at all? Pretty feet. Do you carry a gun at all? No, I've been arrested with weapons before? Here, let me lock his cuffs real quick. Yep. Swap cuffs. I want to get you off that car. What's up, big dog? Hey, man.
Yeah, I moved my car that way. He's got one lane.
You just walk this. Was that a big old bag of weed over there, or what has he got? Nothing says I have like drugs and running from the police. What was y'all's reason for initial stop?
Hey, what was his PC again?
Turn left on the right turn on. Well, that'll do it. You don't even know why you got pulled over? Or tried to get pulled over? And a Ford Fiesta, of all things. You know, if you run from the police, your insurance won't cover damages, right? Yep. I guess the Army beat Navy this time.
Yeah, you know, that's how it goes. So.
Oh well.
Thank you, guys.
Anytime. And I was just thinking the night was getting boring.
Everybody's wide awake now. Oh, this is like every.
Ain't no better pre-workout than a little pursuit, right?
Yeah. A little bit of ground in there.
If you enjoyed this real police chase breakdown, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more intense pursuit analysis and real-world chase footage.